What is the fastest land animal in the world? Cheetah. What is the largest land animal in the world? Elephant. How many legs do butterflies have? Six legs. What is the name of an adult female horse? Mare. What are baby goats called? Kids. What food makes up nearly all, around 99% of a giant panda's diet? Bamboos. What is the name of the phobia that involves an abnormal fear of spiders? Arachnophobia. Groups of lions are known as what? Pride. Bees are found on every continent of Earth except for one. Which is it? Antarctica. What animal have no sweat glands but use their mouths to release heat? Crocodile. What is the only continent on Earth where giraffes live in the wild? Africa. Is a shark a fish or a mammal? Sharks are fish. A doe is what kind of animal? Female deer. How many pairs of wings does a bee have? Two pair of wings. True or false? Rabbits are born blind. True. Mercury. Venus. Earth. Mars. Jupiter. Saturn. Uranus. Neptune. Let's learn planets. Facts about planet Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and the closest planet to the Sun. It would take 18 Mercuries to match Earth's size. Though it is very close to the Sun, it is not the hottest planet. Mercury itself doesn't have any moons. Mercury spins around slowly compared to Earth. One day on Mercury is 59 Earth days. Mercury circles the Sun once every 88 Earth days. Facts about planet Venus. Venus is named after the Roman goddess of love. It is the planet that is named after a female. It is the sixth largest of the 8 planets and second planet from the Sun. Venus is the hottest planet with a temperature of 850 degrees Fahrenheit. Like Mercury, Venus doesn't have any moons. Water, an essential part of Earth, isn't found on Venus. Facts about planet Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Earth is the only planet that we know of that contains life. Earth has one moon or natural satellite. The Earth is composed of a number of layers. On the outside is a rocky layer called the Earth's crust. Below this is the mantle, followed by the outer core and the inner core. The inner core of the Earth is hotter than the surface of the Sun. Facts about planet Mars. Mars is the second smallest planet in the solar system and the fourth planet from the Sun. It is named after the Roman god of war. The Greeks called the planet Ares after their version of the god of war. The 2 moons of Mars are named Phobos and Deimos. Because Mars doesn't have any oceans, it has nearly the same land surface as the Earth. The ancient Egyptians called Mars Har-Decker, which means the red one. A 100-pound person on Earth would weigh around 38 pounds on Mars. Facts about planet Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system and is the 5th planet from the Sun. In Roman mythology, Jupiter was king of the gods and god of the sky. He was the equivalent of the Greek god Zeus. Jupiter is called a gas giant planet. This is because its surface is made up of a thick layer of hydrogen gas. Jupiter is 300 times the size of Earth and has at least 63 moons versus Earth's 1 moon. It is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. Viewed from the Earth, it is the 3rd brightest object in the night sky. Facts about planet Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun, and the 2nd largest planet in the solar system. It was named after the Roman god of agriculture. It is most famous for its beautiful giant rays. Saturn's day of 10.7 hours is much shorter than Earth's, while Saturn's year is over 29 Earth years. Saturn's rings are made up of mostly ice particles with some dust and rocks as well. Facts about planet Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun, and the 3rd largest planet in the solar system. Uranus has the coldest atmosphere of all the planets in the solar system. Uranus has rings like Saturn, but they are thin and dark. Uranus has 21 moons and growing. Facts about planet Neptune. Neptune is the 8th and furthest planet from the Sun. Neptune's atmosphere gives it a blue color, which is fitting with it being named after the Roman god of the sea. Neptune is an ice giant planet. It is the coldest planet in the solar system. What is the smallest planet in the solar system? Mercury. What is the hottest planet in the solar system? Venus. What planet in the solar system is farthest from the Sun? Neptune. What is the third brightest planet in the night sky? Jupiter. What is the coldest planet in the solar system? Neptune. What is the largest planet in the solar system? Jupiter. Mars. The ancient Egyptians called this planet Har-Decker, which means the red one. Mars. This planet is 300 times the size of Earth and has at least 63 moons. Jupiter. It is the only planet that we know of that contains life. Earth. This planet is named after the Roman goddess of love. It is the planet that is named after a female. Venus. What is the third largest planet in the solar system? Uranus. This planet is named after the Roman god of the sea. Neptune. Let's learn the 7 continents. North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Oceania or Australia, Antarctica, Asia. Facts about Asia. Asia is the largest continent of our planet, both in size and also when we consider the population. There are 48 countries in Asia. More than 4.4 billion people live on the continent. The continent is located mainly in the Eastern Hemisphere and in the Northern Hemisphere. Languages in Asia. In Asia, more than 2,300 languages are recognized. Largest country, Russia by landmass, China by population. Largest city, Tokyo in Japan. Smallest country, Maldives. Biggest island, Borneo in Southeast Asia. Longest river, Yangtze River in China. Highest mountains, Mount Everest. Biggest lake, Caspian Sea. Driest place, the Gobi Desert. Tourist attractions in Asia. Great Wall in China. Grand Palace in Thailand. Kyoto and the cherry bloom in Japan. St. Basil's Cathedral and Kremlin in Russia. Hagia Sophia in Turkey. Gardens by the Bay in Singapore. Taj Mahal in India. Petra in Jordan. Jeju Island in South Korea. Bali Island in Indonesia. Europe. Facts about Europe. Europe is the second smallest continent in size but the third largest in population. There are 50 countries in Europe with a total of more than 742 million people living on the continent. The European continent is located completely in the Northern Hemisphere and mainly in the Eastern Hemisphere. Languages in Europe. The 5 most spoken native languages in Europe are Russian, German, French, English, Turkish and Italian. Largest capital city, Moscow. Smallest country, Vatican City. Biggest island, Greenland. Smallest town, Hum in Croatia. Most populous city, Istanbul, the biggest city in Turkey. Highest mountain, Mount Elbrus. Longest river, the Volga River. Largest port, the Port of Rotterdam, Netherlands. Longest coastline, Norway. Biggest lake, Lake Ladoga near St. Petersburg in Russia. Largest waterfall, the Rhine Falls in Switzerland. Tourist attraction in Europe. Eiffel Tower in France. Neuschwanstein Castle in Germany. Alhambra in Spain. Acropolis in Greece. Colosseum in Rome. Africa. Facts about Africa. There are 54 countries in Africa, and 9 territories with a total of more than 1.1 billion people living on the continent, which is 15% of the world's total population. Languages in Africa. It is estimated that about 2,000 different languages are spoken on the African continent. Largest country, Algeria. Largest city, Lagos in Nigeria. Smallest country, Seychelles. Biggest island, Madagascar in the Indian Ocean. Longest river, Nile, 6,852 kilometers, 4,258 miles. The Nile is the longest river in the world and passes through 11 countries. Highest mountain, Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania. Biggest lake, Lake Victoria. Driest place, the Sahara in northern Africa is the largest hot desert in the world. Tourist attractions in Africa. Cape Town in South Africa. Masai Mara National Park in Kenya. Kruger National Park in South Africa. Victoria Falls in Zambia, Zimbabwe. Namibia, Namib Desert in Etosha National Park. Mauritius in the Indian Ocean Islands. Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania. Morocco, markets, deserts and mountains. North America. Facts about North America. North America is the 3rd largest continent in size and the 4th largest when we consider population. The North American continent houses 23 countries. The continent is located in the Northern Hemisphere and the Western Hemisphere. The most widely spoken languages in North America are English, Spanish, and to a lesser extent French, and, especially in the Caribbean, Creole languages lexified by them. Largest country, Canada. Largest city, Mexico City, which is the capital city of Mexico with a population of about 9 million. Smallest country, St. Kitts and Nevis, that is located in the Caribbean Sea. Biggest island, Greenland. Longest river of North America, Missouri River, USA. Highest mountain, Denali in Alasaka, USA. Biggest lake, Lake Superior. Tourist attractions in North America. New York City, which is also called the Big Apple, USA, for museums and shopping. California, USA, amazing beaches for surfing. Las Vegas, the USA, the casino paradise with lots of popular shows and entertainment options for the whole family. Walt Disney World in Florida, USA. Yucatan Peninsula, Mexico for Mayan ruins and awesome beaches. Hawaii, USA, volcanic islands and paradise beaches. Rocky Mountains in the USA and Canada for skiing and winter sports. Kennedy Space Center, USA, for learning all about space travel and the planets. South America. Facts about South America. South America is the fourth largest continent in size and the fifth largest when we consider population. There are 12 countries in South America and 3 dependencies with a total of more than 385 million people living on the continent. The continent is located in the Western Hemisphere and mainly in the Southern Hemisphere. Languages in South America. Spanish is the main language in South American countries. Largest country, Brazil. Largest city, São Paulo in Brazil. Smallest country, Suriname. Biggest island, Tierra del Fuego. Longest river, Amazon River. Highest mountain, Aconcagua in Argentina. Biggest lake, Lake Titicaca. Tourist attractions in South America. Machu Picchu in Peru. Iguazu Falls in Argentina, Brazil. Angel Falls in Venezuela. Rio de Janeiro and its carnival in Brazil. Patagonia in Argentina, Chile. Amazon in Ecuador. Pantanal in Paraguay, Brazil. Torres del Paine National Park in Chile. Oceania or Australia. Facts about Oceania, or as we commonly known as Australia. Oceania is the smallest continent of our planet considering the landmass. Australia, which is part of Oceania, is often referred to as the continent, but we use Oceania, Australia to include also the islands surrounding Australia. Oceania is in a continental group consisting of numerous countries and includes Pacific Islands in Australia. Oceania includes 14 countries. The largest island of Oceania is Australia. Oceania's biggest and most populous city is Sydney. More than 4.5 million people live in this Australian city. Highest mountain in Oceania. The highest mountain on land is Mount Cook in New Zealand. Popular tourist attractions in Oceania are Australia, Micronesia, Fiji, Kiribati, Marshall Islands, Nauru, New Zealand, Palau, Papua New Guinea, Samoa, Solomon Islands, Tonga, Tuvalu and Vanuatu. Antarctica. Facts about Antarctica. According to size, Antarctica is the 5th largest continent of our planet. There are no countries in Antarctica. Tourist attractions in Antarctica. Deception Island, formerly a whaling station, is popular for its still active volcano and its viewpoint at Neptune's bellows. Fort Lockroy on Winds Island, where there's Antarctic Heritage Center and Museum. Drake Passage is a popular part of polar cruises, although it is known for its rough seas. The water channel lies between South America and Antarctica. Tourists will also enjoy watching the Aurora Australis, the southern lights in the Antarctic winter between March and September. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Seven Continents Quiz. It is the largest continent of our planet, both in size and population. Europe, Africa, Asia, Asia, It is the smallest continent of our planet considering the landmass. Antarctica, Europe, Oceania or Australia. Oceania or Australia. It is the longest river in South America. Amazon River, Volga River, Yangtze River. Amazon River. It is the largest country in North America. Russia, Canada, Brazil. Canada. It is the biggest lake in Africa. Lake Victoria, Lake Ladoga, Lake Superior. Lake Victoria. It is the second smallest continent in size but third largest continent in population. Africa, South America, Europe. Europe. It is the fifth largest continent of our planet according to size. North America, South America, Antarctica. Antarctica. It is one of the popular tourist attractions in Oceania, Australia. Drake Passage, Kiribati, Mount Kilimanjaro. Kiribati. There are 54 countries and 9 territories in this continent. Asia, Antarctica, Africa. Africa. It is the smallest country in Europe. Maldives, Vatican City, Suriname. Vatican City. It is the third largest continent in size and fourth largest in population. South America, Europe, North America. North America. Tourist attraction in Antarctica. Aurora Australis, Petra. Rocky Mountains. Aurora Australis. It is the largest city in Africa. Sydney, Lagos, Beijing. Lagos. It is the highest mountain in South America. Aconcagua, Denali, Mount Kilimanjaro. Aconcagua. It is the biggest and most populous city in Oceania. Sydney, Melbourne, Perth. Sydney. It is the main language in South American countries. Mandarin, Spanish, Arabic. Spanish. It is the largest country in Asia by landmass. Russia, Brazil, Canada. Russia.